Tell them to bring me my money. Hey guys, welcome to another quick video. Today we're going to talk to you about in-house financing and our partner Sallie Mae for financing. So we've got two different options for paying for your program. So one of our payment options at Thrust Institute of Maintenance is we have an in-house installment plan, which is $10,000 down and $26.85 a month for 11 months. We also utilize Sallie Mae as a partner, so they have options where you pay while you're in school or pay later. It's a simple personal loan. So you apply for the application through our website, thrustinstitute.com. Financing takes you to the link to Sallie Mae's website, shows you the different APRs you'd be looking at and payment plans, and then at the bottom of the Thrust Institute page it shows directions on the school's code, the price, all the information that you would need to help you through the application. But if you do come across anything where you have any questions, feel free and reach out to me. I'm happy to walk you through it over the phone or in person in my office. The second option is we offer installment plans. So $10,000 down over 12 months. The 11 remaining payments will be $26.80 a month. So to recap, we have Sallie Mae as our private lender. Then we have our in-house installments, which is $10,000 down and $26.80 a month over 12 months. If you have any questions, feel free and reach out to us on our website, thrustinstitute.com, and we'll be happy to help.